Let's review how to use the chess accordion on the Gamer page of Toolkit.law. Select the Self section, then the Gamer page. Click on the Chess Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you'll find an interactive digital chessboard where you can play solo or with a partner, no downloads or third-party apps required. Use the share feature to invite colleagues, track your progress, or simply enjoy a strategic pause between client work. It fosters healthy competition and collaboration within your team. Beyond relaxation, chess is a powerful tool for developing skills lawyers and other law professionals use every day, anticipating an opponent's move, building long-term strategy, and making decisive choices under pressure. Integrating the chess accordion into your routine supports cognitive endurance and creative problem-solving. These qualities are essential for litigation, negotiations, and client strategy. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's chess accordion.